Folks, I don't believe this. Same car. Finally found the problem. Throttle position sensor. Now, the only thing I don't like about this car right now, and it's going to sound crazy as I don't know what, I'm taking it out for a test run, and it's running absolutely beautiful. Best I've had it running since I bought it 10 years ago or something like that, or 7 or 8 years ago. This car right here, I can't feel the engine running. I can't hear the engine running, and it makes me nervous because every time I stop somewhere, it was given a problem earlier with the car being off. But this car is off. I mean, no, excuse me. This car, you can't tell it's running. It feels like it's off. Look at that, folks. 22-year-old car. And you see that right there? That's a brand new throttle position right there, $40. I paid, well, $37, $34, excuse me, $34. I put brand new mass airflow sensor on it, belts, plugs, wires, coil pack, what they call this right here, air filter. Everything's been redone. And I'm telling you, you can't feel the car. Oh yeah, that right there is the fuel regulator. All right, folks. 22 years old, and I'm riding down the road, and the only thing that makes me nervous about the car is I can't feel it running. I can't feel it running. I don't know if it's on, because when it used to get problems, that's what it would do. You'd be sitting there at the light, and you go to accelerate. You already see the light on that says check engine and all that, but it's not doing that anymore. And that little device that caused all of this, folks, that caused everything, was that little throttle position sensor. Now I cut the car off now, but I'm loving this, folks. I took it out for a test run. I took it for a good run. I reset the computer right here. You know, you just take loose the negative for about a minute, and then let it. Because once you hook the new part up in there, you want it to reset. So it reset to all these new parts I put in. I'm loving it, folks. Thank you.